Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use LucidChart in 2025. Whether you are creating flowcharts, mind maps, or team diagrams, this tool makes it easy. Let's jump right into it. LucidChart is a cloud-based diagramming tool used for creating everything from flowcharts to org charts, mind maps, wireframes, and and even technical network diagrams. To get started, go to lucidchart.com and click on the first link and click this button called sign up for free. Now you'll see a login or sign up page that like that. Just click sign up free, then enter your full name like that, then enter your work email, then uh choose just create a strong password like that, then click create account, then click start free. Lucid offers a free plan which is great for individuals. Paid plans unlock more shapes, templates, and collaboration features. From the dashboard, choose your role like that, finance or engineering. From the dashboard, you can create new documents, explore templates, and access shared projects. Choose your role. Then choose a shape like that. Or go to your dashboard for here. Click the new button and choose Lucid Chart. Then blank document to start fresh. You will also see recent documents and folders to keep your work organized. Let's create a basic flowchart. On the left panel, you will see standard shapes, rectangulars, rectangles, diamonds, arrows, circles. Just drag and drop them onto the canvas. Click on any shape to add text. Use the top menu to change fonts. Like that. Then choose color. To change font color, click A button, then choose your color from here. Use rectangles for processes, diamonds for decisions, arrows to show direction. Hold Shift to select multiple shape and align them perfectly, like that. Don't want to start from scratch? LucidChart offers tons of template. Go back to the dashboard. Click templates and choose a category like business, engineering, or mind maps. You can also search from here. Choose your niche and click use template. Then click create a document anyway. You can see there cursors live, leave comments, and chat all in real time. Lucid Charts lets you collaborate just like Google Docs. Click share, add your teammates' email, and choose their permissions. Use version history to go back if someone makes an accidental change. When you're done, you can export your diagram in multiple formats like PDF, PNG, JPEG, or even as a Microsoft Visio file. Click File, then Download or Export, then click PDF. You can also embed it in a website or share a view-only link. Now choose your format. Lucid Chart integrates with tools like Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Jira, or Notion. That means you can insert diagrams right into your workflows. In 2025, LucidChart remains one of the best tools for students, teams, and professionals. Whether you are planning a system architecture or brainstorming startup ideas, it's clean, powerful, and intuitive. And that's how to use LucidChart in 2025. It's beginner friendly, great templates, real-time collaboration, easy to share and export. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below which diagram you will try first. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.